I'm here na. I give you update na how where I go.
Hi.
I'm going to my cousin. This year. Hi! Thank you. Thank you, mother.
Bye.
So much. Akala ko mag-stay pa kami dyan. Busy ka?
Oo, malimit ako.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. I'm home na and I'm with my cousin. Pamangkin. My cousin eating. Then my cousin is playing games with her phone. And then here's the... watching a movie. Now we are eating pomelo. Say hi, Rain.
Wow!
With soy sauce. Ay, oyster sauce? Soy sauce. You know this? This is this. And salt. Look, salt. Good.
Ito na, Day.
So, ilo, Day.
Vlog tayo.
Dito kami, Day, sa may Malibay, Day. Bibili kami, Day, ng pizza, Day. So, ari kami, Day. Say hi, kuya. Say hi. So, mag-ingat-ingat lang tayo, baka may shot. So, dyan pala ako nag-picture taking kanina. Ito yung photographer ko. Ay, ano din yun? Ano tawag mo?
Taas mo pa, Day.
Taas ko pa. Wait lang, hindi ko pwede mataas kasi kita yung ano mo. So, madami ditong bilihan, mga street food and ano. Thank you.
Dahil dyan. Nakalaan lang mo kaya. Ang gulo ng video pa niyo.
Piling, hindi ko kayang magsinungaling sa'yo.
Oh, so ito ang dalawa. Budol. We're here outside, so we buy gamu with my cousin. So, a little update. A lot of food. You can buy. There's chicken. And we get pizza. Hi, Francesco. We bought pizza. Treat to my cousin. Rodjan. He treats us only 500 pesos. Yes. So we're here. Bumili kami ng pizza at Lotsa Pizza? Pizzaya? Latsa Pizza? Latsa? Ano mo na daan mag-pronounce dyan? Latsa Pizza. Akala ko Lotsa. Sorry. So there, it's affordable. You can buy 489 for extra large and large pizza. They have spinach flavor and pepperoni, Hawaiian, what else? Cheese. Yan. Kasama ko tong mga dalawang makukulit. Yan yung pinsan ko. And then may pamangkin. And then thank you, Rojan. Salamat. Sarap.
Sabi mo siguro dyan.
Food review. Sarap.